Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And I was working on my computer and decided to check the Samsung Galaxy S23 subreddit, and I see this post as being one of the hot posts for that subreddit. So here it is. You can see that S23 and S23 Plus camera users are complaining about permanently out of focus area in pictures which are banana shaped. So I was like, hey, what is going on over here? And of course, this article is linked in the description of this video. So I was like, let me go ahead and take a few pictures of my own, because they say that this issue is prominent when you're taking pictures of text. And what would be the best thing to use? It would be the box for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. Now, here it is. You can see that the picture here, the text here is crisp, and then all of a sudden it starts getting blurry. And I took multiple pictures, and the one which is the worst, these ones are from the wide angle lens. And I also tried it with your feature, which is, what is that feature? Let's go into the camera app, and herein let us check. Yeah, scene optimizer. So I thought that scene optimizer might be causing these issues, so I turned scene optimizer off, but the results are the same. So you can see that text is crispy, and then all of a sudden it starts getting blurry. And I was like, okay, all right, maybe it is a lighting issue. So then I turned on my floodlights over here, and the issue persisted. And I was like, all right, maybe this is an issue with all the devices out there, because the text on the box is definitely too small. So I brought out my iPhone 14 Pro, I brought out my Google Pixel 7 Pro, and took pictures in same lighting conditions, indoors, with the normal and with the wide angle lens. And I did try to use autofocus. I did try to tap and use the focus to tell the camera where to focus, but the results were shocking. I mean, the S23 Plus definitely has this issue wherein your text is out of focus. Now, this out of focus issue is very prominent when you're taking pictures of text. If it is a normal picture without too much of text, then you might not notice it. But once you start taking pictures of the text, you're definitely going to notice it. And as you can see on your screen right now, we have the Google Pixel 7 Pro on the left, the iPhone 14 Pro in the middle, and the S23 Plus on the extreme right. And the results are definitely not in favor of the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. So do you have this similar problem wherein you take pictures and then certain areas are out of focus? You have the banana effect when you're taking pictures of text wherein it's in the shape of a banana and the text is blurred out. Do let me know via comments below.